guys seen Downfall about Boeing?
Oh, I want to see it. Yeah.
Okay, my trust owns that, and devastating.
Netflix, right?
Yeah, devastating. Must be watched.
There's the opening bell and the CNBC real-time exchange. Of the big board, it's UMH Properties, celebrating its commitment to provide affordable housing for 54 years. At the NASDAQ, it's Microsoft in recognition of Black History Month. Speaking of housing and rates and analyst calls today, Jim, I know you've seen the B of A downgrade of Rocket down to neutral.
Look, Rocket has been one of the worst stocks of this period. This is the exact opposite of what you need right now with the Fed raising rates, fewer transactions coming. Hey, Dave, do you ever look at the ownership structure of Rocket?
No, actually, I haven't.
I regard it as very anti-shareholder, very pro a guy I really love, Dan Gilbert.
Dan Gilbert,
but,
right?
Look, if rates were going down and housing going up, it's the stock to buy. So then you have the opposite, obviously.
It has not been a good performer, to say the least.
No, I'd say it's been one of the worst performers in this entire market.
I mean, go back. I mean, remember its initial public offering. It was one of the largest IPOs of all time.
Yes, it was. And Dan was here. Dan, obviously, it's Jay Farmer. Now, by the way, let's understand. This is a great company. It's a great. That's why I said if you thought rates were going down, I mean, they have tremendous firepower, and they're a very good lender, better than the big banks. But this is the kind of stock that hedge funds just say, you know what, I am not touching. Rates are up. This is the one to sell, and they're selling it. They're shorting it, and it doesn't stop. Just doesn't stop.
By the way, it's not to neutral, it's to underperform over at B of A.
Yes.
All the gainers, Jim. Marathon, Devon, EOG, Oxy, Hess, you name it.
We got to talk about Devon. Devon is one of the stocks they reported last week, and it was a monster quarter, and they're very hedged. But the main thing, which does actually hurt them, but that's all right. They make a lot of money. The main thing to know about Devon, $30 cost of capital.
We had Rick on last week. Yeah, on Squawk on the Street. Talked a lot about...
Yeah, and I was crushed because he decided to do it right when I did my CNBC Investing Club, and that's not like him. He's usually deferential.